Today I'm going to be showing you the quickest way to gain 100,000 followers on TikTok so you can stop wasting time. Coming up next. What did I do to get that following? This is what you need to do, and this is going to save you some time. What's going on? My name is Quincy, and I have helped hundreds to nearly thousands of people on TikTok grow their account with tips and tricks that they have not heard of or couldn't find anywhere else, but they came to this channel. So if you want videos like this, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you're commenting. This way I can answer your questions with any concerns you might have and engage with you and possibly even check out your account if you comment your profile username. But before I begin, as always, I want to give a couple of shout outs to the comment winners of my last few videos. I want to give a shout out to Inspirate Con Lin and also Faze Viper. Thank you guys for commenting on the videos and staying engaged, and also let me know what questions you had. That way, hopefully, I was able to get back to you. If you would like to be chosen as a comment winner on my next video, make sure you're commenting on this video with any comments, questions, concerns, as I mentioned. That way, you could be featured on my next video. So let's go. I'm going to be sharing with you the quickest way for you to get 100,000 followers on TikTok. It's not going to be something you've heard of before. Trust me, I know it. No one's talking about this, but this is a guaranteed way that you can build your following super quick, but you have to make sure you apply this strategy. Now, this can be done with only 8 days. I hope I got your attention. And I'm also going to show you how this is possible. Now, when I look over the content of the people that I have helped grow their account and mine, what I generally see is a pattern. The pattern usually goes something like this. Scroll the For You page, see what content inspires me, come up with an idea, create the video, post it, and it lands on the For You page. This is always the pattern that happens over and over. However, you came here because you want 100,000 followers. You may have already landed on the For You page, but you're not getting the follower count that you're looking for. Your account is not growing. This is where I come in, and you got to do this right here. So I realized that being at 340,000 followers for my account, what did I do to get that following? And I vividly remember putting in video work every single day, posting 5 to 6 to 7 videos a day. But this is not what I'm going to ask of you. This is what you need to do, and this is going to save you some time. You will thank me later. When I calculated those days and how many videos I posted and how many months went by and how many times I was on the For You page, what I realized, there was consistency in the posting. See, TikTok already knew that you were going to have a desire to create videos over and over and over again, and that you would also upload them over and over and over again. But what don't you have? You don't have that much time. This is where this strategy comes in that will guarantee take your following to where it's at right now, and it's all about consistency. You have 30 days in a month on average, maybe 31, maybe 29, 28, depending on what year it is. What you want to do is pick a month, this month, next month, and for the most part, there are generally 8 weekend days in any given month. Now, we're not including Fridays. We're talking about Saturday, Sunday. There's usually 4 weeks in 1 month. What you do to apply this strategy is on Saturday, you spend that day creating videos, not posting, but creating videos. On Sunday, you spend Sunday creating videos, not posting, but creating. If you calculate your math, and if you don't have anything going on, you could probably squeeze out about 15 to 20 videos on Saturday and maybe also on Sunday. That gives you 40 videos for the weekend. Here's when you post. You post on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, you can post on Saturday and Sunday, but what it's giving you is a consistency. You're using your draft folder. You have an arsenal of videos that now you don't have to spend time wondering what you're going to create Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, because you spent Saturday and Sunday. You blocked out that time. You picked the month, this month, next month, the month after, and you said, hey, this is the month that I'm going to grow my brand. I'm going to grow my following. What happens when you get to 100K followers? Usually between 90K and 100K followers, that's when brands want to reach out to you because they see the serious following that you have. This is when you begin to get sponsorship deals. People want to pay you to have their product in your video or send you free merchandise. There's no need to create a video every single day or 5 videos every single day and post 5 videos every single day if you already have done it on the previous Saturday and Sunday and you have 40 videos approximately ready to go. This will get you the consistency to please the TikTok algorithm. Once you please the TikTok algorithm, you are creating content for your current followers. If you can stop trying to focus on going viral and gaining your following, but pleasing the followers that you have, they already like your content. That's why they're following you. They are looking for you to post something every single day. When the days go by and you don't post anything, they're wondering where you're at. And this is where this strategy comes in. Now, maybe Saturday, Sunday works or doesn't work for you. Pick 2 days out of the week and record on both of those days. That would generally give you about 40 videos to work with, and then you post 5 videos on one day, 5 videos on the next day. This also gives you time to slowly go in, edit features, add effects. And if you're asking yourself what type of content do you make on those 2 days, this is when you want to use the search option in the hashtag trending page. This is where all the new trending hashtags are. And if you jump in early enough, your video will automatically go viral because you're one of many to hop on the trend. Hey guys, trust me on this. I've spent a number of days grinding out videos and had them ready to post, and when it happened, there was consistency. My consistency pleased the algorithm. My current viewers had content that they were able to watch from me, which caused them to rewatch it. When your viewers rewatch your content, it recommends your video for the For You page. This is what you want. This is a fast track to cut out all the fluff, stop wasting time, and get you to where you're trying to go. Or you can keep doing what you're doing. Hey guys, let me know in the comments if you're going to try this, if you're gonna hop on it right away. Also, make sure you drop in the comments your profile, TikTok username. That way I can go check out your account and possibly follow you if I love your content. All right, let me know, what are you gonna do? How are you gonna implement this? Are you ready? Are you excited? Because trust me, if you pick a month, utilize those weekend days, those 2 days, and grind out videos, you can be where you wanna be at somewhere around 100K followers in no time. But you gotta trust me on this. You gotta make it happen. You can do it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who you know can benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. What are you waiting for? And until the next video, I'll see you soon.